Whether it's morning, noon, or night, the Learn, Develop, Live podcast will set you right. This is the Learn, Develop, Live 1 Minute of Motivation.
Good morning and welcome to another Learn, Develop, Live 1 Minute of Motivation. Now, if you'd like to finally face those pains or issues that you got stopping you from living your life the way you want, how about you and me see if we can work together to help unlock the next big thing in your life? Send me a text message on 07801 543 515. Let's book a time together and get this thing of yours on the road. But first, here is today's quote. Today's 3-year-olds can switch on laptops, play with iPads. Me? When I was 3, I ate mud. Yep, that's what I did. It's funny how times change. Technology evolves and allows you to now talk to someone on the other side of the world instantly. Now that's just one example of how things do change. So how about you? Have you changed? How have you changed? How have you evolved from the person that you were a few months ago, a few years ago? Every day is another chance to make a better version of yourself. After all, there's more to this life than just eating mud.
That was your 1 minute of motivation. You can find more motivation and inspiration at learndeveloplive.com, and we'll see you tomorrow for more.